Hello children, welcome back. The chapter we are dealing is linear equations for standard 10 and this is part 8. So we started with the word problems and we did very easy sums in the first part. Now as we go now we will be doing variety of sums, variety of methods. A sold a table and a chair of rupees for rupees 1050, thereby making a profit of 10% on table and 25% on the chair. And the second situation is, if she had taken a profit of 25% on table and 10% on chair, she would have got rupees 1065 as the selling price. So find the cost price of each. So we'll draw a table. So that becomes very easy. Table, chair, let cost price of 1 unit is in rupees. Of table, let the table be X and for the chair is Y. So always try to write tables wherever possible so that it will be easy for you to make the equation. You will not make mistakes. Now the profit in the first case, case 1, she is making a profit of 10% on table and 25% on chair. And the total amount she is getting, that is selling price, total selling price is 1050. So you know that selling price is equal to, selling price is equal to cost price plus profit. So what is profit? Profit will be, if you don't know all this, you can note it down. Profit is equal to cost price into profit percentage, that is by 100. Suppose 10%, here it is given 10%. So X into 10 by 100 will be the profit. So here selling price will be, selling price of the table will be X plus cost price plus, what is the profit? Profit will be cost price into P by 100. So X into 10 by 100. So it will be listen this 10. So X plus X by 10. X plus X by 10 will become 10 plus, taking the LCM 10, so 10x plus x, so 11x by 10. Okay. So this will be equal to 11x by 10. Similarly, for chair, again y plus 25, it is 25%, so 25y by 100. So 25 and 100, 4. So you will get then y plus y by 4. Take the LCM, you will get 5y by 4. Now the total selling price. Read the question. Total selling price of the table and chair is rupees 1050. Total selling price. Here it is 1050. So we will make the equation 11x. We will leave some space for the second case. So 11x 11x by 10 plus 5y by 4 equal to 1050. So this is the first equation. Now coming to the second case 2. If she had taken a profit of 25% on table and 10% on chair. So it is 25 25% on table and 10% on chair is the profit. So selling price, the total selling price here will be 1065. Here it is 1065. So again here it will be x, selling price will be x plus 25 x by 100, and so this will become 4, and here it will be y plus 10y by 100. So this will be 10. So writing the equation now, x plus x by 4. So it is 5x by 4, taking the LCM, and 11y by 10 equal to 1065. So we'll take the LCM of both the equations and we'll convert it. So it is 40. So 44x plus 50y by 40 you will get, I will do it in one single step, 1050 into 40. Okay. So this is what you will get. This is the third equation. Similarly, take the LCM here. So 50x plus 44y equal to, again 40 is LCM, no? So 1065 into 40. For 42,600. This is the fourth equation. Now if you see your x and y coefficients, so we have learned a method here, multiplying with 50 and 44, it becomes too big. So we have learned a shortcut method for this. So we will first add 3 and 4. You will get 94x plus 94y equal to 84,600. So now the next step is you have to divide 84,600 divided by 94. If you do, you will get it as 900. So x plus divide throughout by 94. So x plus y equal to 900. This is equation 5. Similarly, subtract 3 minus 4. You will get 44 minus 50 minus 6x plus 6y equal to 3 minus 4. So it is minus 600. So divide throughout by 6. You will get it as minus x plus y equal to minus 100. So this is equation 6. I don't have space, so I am just writing very close. Now solving 5 and 6. I will add 5 and 5 plus equation 5 plus 6. When you add x plus y equal to 900 and minus x plus y equal to minus 100, when you add x and x will get cancelled. So 2y equal to, you will get 2y equal to 800. So y equal to, please write it neatly. I'm so sorry, I don't have space here right now. So y equal to 400 you will get. Substituting in equation 5, write down that equation. Substituting in equation 5, you will get x is equal to 900 minus 400 is 500. So cost of table, what did we take? The x as table. So x table is 500. Cost of chair is 400. Hope it's clear. Next question. Susan invested certain amount of money in two schemes A and B, which offer interest at 8% per annum and 9% per annum. So here also we will draw the table. Scheme A and scheme B. Interest. So let amount invested be x and y. Now case 1. So two schemes which offer 8% per annum and 9% per annum respectively. So case 1, interest 8% and 9%. However, she has interchanged the amount of interest in the two schemes. She would have received rupees 20 more as annual interest. Sorry, I have missed writing those steps. So she received rupees 1860 as annual interest. Okay, so interest is 8% and 9%. So we will find the total interest. So interest she receives will be, it is for 1 year. So 8x by 100 and 9y by 100. So the amount she has received will be is 1860. And case 2, the interest is, they have interchanged interest. So it is 9% and 8%. And she would have received rupees 20 more as annual interest. So already she had received, in the first case, she has received 1860. So now if she had put in this scheme with 9% and 8%, she would have received 20 rupees more. So the interest she received will be 1880. Now we will make the equation. So 8x by 100 plus 9y by 100 equal to 1860. Here it's only the interest, not the total amount she received. If it was total amount, then you have to add the amount invested plus the interest. That will be the total amount received. So read the question carefully and write the statement accordingly. So this will be equal to 8x plus 9y equal to 1860 cross multiplying. So this is the first equation. The second equation will be, the interest will be here 9x by 100 and 8y by 100. Okay, you write, draw a table like this. It looks neat. I'll rewrite this again. So 8x by 100 plus 9y by 100 is equal to 1860. So you will get 8x plus 9y equal to 186000. So this is the first equation. Similarly, the second equation will be 9x by 100 plus 8y by 100 equal to 1880. So it is 9x plus 8y equal to 188000. So this is the second equation. Now here also, if you see, the coefficients of x and y are interchanged. So you will use the addition of the two and the subtraction of the two equations and then solving those equations. So here 1 plus 2, if you add, you will get 17x plus 17y equal to 374000. Now divide throughout by 17, you will get x plus y equal to 22,000. Now equation 1 minus equation 2. So minus x, 8x minus 9x is minus x plus 9y minus 8y is y equal to, if you subtract, you will get minus 2000. So here you don't have to divide x and y are already in the lower terms. So this is equation 4. Now you will solve 3 and solving 3 and 4. So x and minus x. So you will add. So add 3 plus 4. You will get 2y equal to 20,000. So y equal to 10,000. Substitute in equation 3. You will get y equal to x is equal to x is equal to 22,000 minus 10,000 equal to 12,000. So we'll write amount invested in scheming is rupees 12,000. Scheme A is 8x, that is what we have taken. Amount invested in scheme B is rupees 10,000. Hope it's clear. Now we'll do one more sum. One says, give me 100 friend, I shall then become twice as rich as you. So now here there are two people, first person and the second person. So we'll write this first person and the second person. So let amount each person is having is in rupees is X and Y. Now case 1. One says, so the first person is telling, give me 100 friend. So the first person is asking the second person to give him 100 rupees from his amount. So when he gets 100 rupees, 2 is giving 100 to 1. So that means X, it will become X plus 100. Amount he is having will be X plus 100 and the second person will be having 100 rupees less. So Y minus 100. Okay. Then we'll write the equation later. First we'll write this. Then case 2. Then the other replies. So the second person is telling, if you give me 10. So the first person is giving 10 rupees to the second person. The second person is telling you give me 10 rupees. So the first has to give 10 rupees to him. So X minus, these are two situations. So you have to subtract from X only, not from X plus 100. X plus 100 is one situation. They are giving two situations and from the two situations now we have to solve. So be careful. So now you have to reduce 10 rupees from the first person and the second person will be having 10 rupees more. So Y plus, already is having rupees Y. So it is Y plus 10. So now these are the two situations. Now we will frame the equation. So the first says, give me rupees 100. I shall then become twice as rich as you. So twice as rich as you means the first person is X plus 100 equal to I shall become. So X plus 100 equal to twice as rich as you. So 2 into, twice means 2 into, as you. You is the second person. It is Y minus 100. So X plus 100 equal to 2Y minus 200. So X minus Y equal to minus 300. X minus 2Y, sorry. This is equation 1. Now coming to the second person, what is he telling? The other replies, if you give me 10, I shall be 6 times as rich as you. So I here, the second person is so Y plus 10 is equal to 6 times richer than the first. So 6 into X minus 10. 6 times as rich as you. So 6x minus 60. So it will be minus 6x plus y equal to minus 70. So this is equation 2. Now we will solve the two equations. So we will multiply the equation 2 with 2. Always try to multiply, divide and all with the smaller numbers. No? Try to multiply with smaller numbers. Dividing will be with bigger numbers. See, your purposes, you have to make the equation smaller. So multiply by 2. So 2x equation 2 with, okay, equation 2 with 2, so minus 12x plus 2y equal to minus 140. And the equation 1 will be, as it is, you will write x minus 2y equal to minus 300. Now we will add. Put a symbol here so that you understand it. So adding the two equations, because minus 2y and plus 2y, the symbols are opposite symbols, so you have to add. So minus 12x plus x will be minus 11x equal to minus 440. So from this you will get x is equal to 40. Substitute in equation 1, x is 40 minus 2y equal to minus 300. So 2y is equal to 340, y equal to 170. So the amount A had is rupees 40 and B had, or we have not given us A and B, the first person, the second, is rupees 170. Hope it's clear. So read the question and try to write the statements on your own. So keep practicing many times, then only you will become comfortable with these type of questions. So I'll see you again with more questions, similar questions in my next video. Till then, have a great time.